Hello learners, watch the following video on how to dry fat fry beef using dry fat frying method. What you'll need: fatty beef, salt, chopping board, frying pan, sufuria, spatula, source of heat, paper towel, lid, plate, basin, and a knife. Use the following procedure to dry fat fry your beef. Wash the beef with running water. Cut the washed beef into small pieces. Place the pan or sufuria on a source of heat. Put the beef on a pan or sufuria. Cook it on low heat. Increase heat and continue frying the beef. Turn the beef with a spatula to ensure that it cooks evenly. You can add salt and other seasonings like onions. Cook the beef until it turns brown and crispy. Remove the beef from the pan and serve on a plate lined with paper towel.